Hey beauties! This tutorial by Ellery not only features a fierce makeup look, but also nachos, which we fully support. First, have a nacho. Then take those crummy fingers and sweep a mattifying primer all over your face. Before doing as Ellery does and prepping those brows for greatness, she draws precise lines around each brow before delicately filling them in stroke by stroke. Come through, brow volume! Concealer on either side of the brow creates sharp, smooth lines and helps your brows really stand out. Well, you worked so hard on them, you want to show them off. Highlight them even more with a slick of colored brow gel before locking them in with a clear gel. Brows down. Using a makeup sponge, Ellery dabs and blends her foundation smoothly out from the center. She gets full coverage from this application. Next, it's time to get artistic and dab in a lighter tone of concealer under the eyes and in the center of the forehead. How can she show off a product in focus and apply at the same time? Wizardry. You gotta take the time to get the perfect blend. After light comes the dark, and it's time to contour for the gods. Of course, the key to any well-made-up face is to blend, blend, blend. Apply some setting powder under the eyes. Sweep some blush under your cheekbones to really get angular. A dusting of highlighter on the apples of your cheeks adds some gorgeous shimmer. And a quick stroke down the center of your nose adds focus. If we're going for an iconic look, which we are, then start with some eyelid primer so your makeup stays firmly in place. Ellery dabs it on with her fingers and then builds a base with neutral tones. Adding more depth into the crease. Frame upper and lower lashes with deep, dark black liner. And blend some shimmer into the inner corners to get glam. Liquid liner is always the best choice for a flick or a wing. And false lashes are always there for your extra drama. Fan out your lower lashes with mascara and add some to the fake lashes for absolute perfection. Ellery gets her lips ready for glamour with a moisturizing balm before adding a dark liner to the outer corners, blending inwards. She fills out the center of her lips with a pillar box red and blends in with a small brush to get the ultimate ombre look. Ugh, we love this look. Where would you wear it out? Let us know and we will see you next time.